Good morning, dear student. Once again, I welcome to each and everyone. And today is the last session of our online class. And in this session, we'll come to know about our last lesson, that is a jellyfish. Basically, it is a poem written by a female writer. Name of the writer, Marie Moody. It means poetess Marie Moody. Okay, this is the topic of discussion today, and along with this we'll discuss whatever we have covered. We'll deal that point also, and this major part, exercises, I have not given till now. So within 1 week, you will get all the data that will be of class notes or exercises from starting. One page you will get, that will be as a exercise page only, where you will get all the exercises from lesson number 1 to last lesson. Basically, in all the exercises you will get clause. I explained you already subordinate or principal clause. So the question based on that you will get, you already got that. Now the next one, tense. You already go through with tense. What is tense? Tense only tell about time of action. Basically, there are 3 types of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. With the help of action, we denote it, that particular sentence is a part of which tense. And with the help of helping verb also, we can understand that this tense, this particular sentence is a part of this tense. For example, if was or were is coming in any sentence, so you will understand this sentence is a part of past tense. If will or shall is coming, so you will understand this is a part of future tense. Basically, what I want to explain here, all the helping verb, that helping verb only express you about the time of action, that when any action takes place. So one exercise you will get that is directly associated with the tense only. You have to use appropriate tense there. That can be present tense, past tense or future tense. In class 7, you already go through with tense. Class 6 also. So I don't think that there will be any doubt. You try to do only one exercise, approx 10 or 15 questions are there. You have to fill the suitable verb only. So you try to fill it. If you are having any problem, any confusion in this part, so while revision class, I'll tell you, I'll help you. Okay? So this was about the exercises. So now, today we have to discuss about a jellyfish. I told you, jellyfish is a poem written by Marie Moody, poetess Marie Moody. And poetess is very rich in the sense of expressing her experience. When she was studying, so while that time, her classmates only, one classmate was there, he only, without informing her, given the set of poem for publishing. It means that she was not knowing that my poem is going to be published. And classmates have given, and after this, because of his work, she is widely known by everyone. Not even in her place only, but outside of her residence also, in abroad also. People, they like to read the poems, the collection of the poem written by Marie Curie. So she took as a character only a jellyfish. Basically, a jellyfish, the word fish is given here. It means that we are talking about jellyfish that you will get in water bodies only. And jellyfish is transparent. That is why when jellyfish is coming in between any object, and after this a jellyfish, then again water. So jellyfish is transparent. Because of this feature only, you can easily or clearly watch from one side to another side. And on body of only jellyfish, you will get yellow and blue color of spot or particle. That only express or visualize jellyfish only. And in this entire poem, this express only one feeling. She told it's a symbolic poem. Why it's a symbolic poem? Because this poem expresses the feeling of human being, express the emotion of a human being, how the emotion and the feeling of human being that changes as per the situation. When suppose that you are going at any place, so your emotion or feeling that will be different. When you will change the place, it will be different. Any situation, it is coming in front of you, so automatically your feeling and emotion that will change. So this entire poem is a symbolic poem that expresses the emotion and feeling of a human being, how it is fluctuating. As a jellyfish, when jellyfish is moving or swimming in the water bodies only. As the same way, the fluctuation is also going on in the brain of human being. So this is about the jellyfish only. Rest all the thing you will understand that stanza wise. With the help of slide only, you will see that one. And see, Marie Curie, she also got National Book Award and Pulitzer Prize. These two prizes are really very prestigious. In the field of literature, if anyone is doing remarkable job, so they receive this National Book Award and Pulitzer Prize. In the field of literature, Pulitzer Prize is the best one. If anyone is doing best in the field of literature, and that is considered best by each and everyone, so the people receive Pulitzer Prize. So she got this prize, and you can consider if she got these two prizes, so her value you can understand. This prize, any normal, any common people, they cannot receive, they cannot get. If they are having any potential, then they can get. So she got this, it means that she is having a talent. So this was about the jellyfish and the poetess. Now, you see, when we have started our classes, the first session, so first session we have completed television. Basically, this television is a poem. You have to learn the summary of this television. Already I have given the summary. So this poem, this goes for what only? Summary. Extract, question, answer you will do, but for summary you will learn this one. Because one more poem you will get, jellyfish also, and oh I wish I had looked after meeting. 3 poem you are getting. So from this 3 poem, this television is for summary, and Oh, I wish I had looked after my teeth. This is M for memorizing poem. This poem is for what? Memorizing. It means that this poem you will learn first 10 lines of the poem that you will learn and write down carefully. And summary already you will learn, okay, right now. First we have finished television. In that you will get one exercise. We try to solve that one also. It's not very complicated. I fall into disgrace. Second lesson we have done. There was no any problem in that also. Third, oh I wish I had looked after my teeth. We have completed. You got the class notes also. Chaskit goes to school. You have got the class notes, or we have finished this one also. A stranger walks into town. This and this. This two is remaining only. Within a week, from today onward, within 1 week, you will get the class notes and homework and your summer assignment also. And whatever summer assignment, whatever one or two question you will get, that question you will do only in your fair copy. You will not purchase any milky file, you will not purchase any kind of file or any product from outside. Whatever fair copy you got, in that only you will write. And try to make it catchy or effective. Whatever question you are getting. That will be also published on our website. You can check it. Within 1 week it will be also available. So this 6th lesson, basically it is for first semester. So this lesson we have completed. Okay. And with the help of slide you will get about jellyfish also, we'll see, and today officially the lesson will finish. And whatever the doubts you are having, you don't worry about that. If each and everything will be okay, then while July you will get revision classes, and while that class, whatever doubts you are having, that I'll clear, that I'll help you. And all the word meaning that you please learn. Do not leave any word. Learn each and every word meaning. So this is about today. Now come to this slide. Just understand and know about jellyfish. Good morning, dear student. As you know very well way that today we have to start last lesson of this semester, and already you have got class notes and homework. The remaining class notes and homework you will get within 1 week, and you will note down all the points. And if you are having any problem when school will reopen, while that I'll explain, I'll help what are the doubts you are having. Please note down all the doubts, all the points which you are having. So today we have to start the important poem, that is a jellyfish. Before starting this thing, I would like to tell you also one point, that for summer assignment you will get some questions, and the main important thing about summer assignment, that you will do summer assignment only in your class notes copy. It means that you will not purchase any kind of file, you will not purchase any paper, you will not purchase anything from anywhere. Simply you are having your class notes copy, means fair copy. In that fair copy you will write your summer assignment. And please pass this message, because I have seen that many of the students, they are not attending the classes. So please pass this message to each and everyone, and whatever is mentioned in your summer assignment that you do, It will be soon upload on our website. You can go, you can access from there. So now today we have to discuss jellyfish. Watch carefully. It is written here, visible, invisible, a fluctuating charm. An amber colored amethyst inhabits it. Your arm approaches and it opens and closes. Basically, we are discussing here about jellyfish. You know very well way, jellyfish is a fish that is transparent. It means that if it floats, if it swims only inside the water, so you cannot differentiate easily water and jellyfish. Means easily you can access or clearly you can see the other part of the water if jellyfish is coming in between. And because of color only it is visible to you, and how it is floating, that is mentioned here. See, visible and invisible. This means that it is dedicated or devoted. This two word is devoted to whom? Visible or invisible. It is for jellyfish only. Sometimes jellyfish visible, it means easily you can see. Sometimes it is invisible. A fluctuating charm. Charm, the word charm means what here? Charm means it is attracting to you. The word fluctuation, it means that it is moving from the same place to forward with fluctuation only. And while that, you will get the color will be amber. Amber means what? Yellow color will be there. And inhabits it. Inhabits it means it is having only what? That yellow color. Your arms approaches. It means suppose that when you are watching or the narrator is watching here, the poetess, so your arm approaches and it opens and closes. So when your arm means it will approach toward jellyfish only, you want to capture, you want to hold it only. So it will open and close it only and move forward. You have meant to catch it, means you want to catch it, but it will move forward by opening and closing only, by doing this two process. And it shrivels. It shrivels means it will synchronize. The area will be less. Okay, it will do just like that. You abandon your intent, means whatever desire you are having to capture this jellyfish, so you will abandon that. Your intention, that will be finished. It opens and it closes and you reach for it. And again, suppose that a emotion, a feeling is coming, that again I go, again I approach. So again the same thing is continued and it will move forward. The blue surroundings, means talking about the water body. The blue surrounding, it grows cloudy and it flows away from you, and simply and slowly it will float away from you. Means the entire blue color, it will be just like sky only, and you will see that how it is moving. It means that about the entire appearance, about the daily activity of jellyfish, it is only expressed here. And this is a symbolized poem. This is taken from the feeling of human being only, how the emotion and feeling of a human being that fluctuate. Sometimes he think about one goal and after some time his goal, his purpose is changed in his life. This is only because of impression or impact of someone. His feeling, his emotion, it changes. So at the same way, that is also. So this is a symbolic poem only. So in this poem you got these points only, and now we'll officially finish 6th lesson. What are the exercises are there? That exercise I'll give to you. You please note down all the points in the book only by using pencil. You will not write the exercises in the copy. Means all the exercises you will fill in the book only. One file I'll give you, means that will be uploaded in our website. You can go, you can download that, and there exercise of each and every chapter that will be there, and all the word meanings that you have to learn. Do not leave any word meaning. And what are the exercises I am giving to you, you have to do that one only. Many exercises are there, but no need to do all the exercises. What I am giving you, that you will do. If you are having any doubt, any problem, you don't worry about that. You leave there only. When school will reopen, I'll tell you. Thank you so much for listening.